Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I was out at a little day camp today. So a lot of you have been messaging me and leaving comments like, where you been? I haven't seen new content from you. Well, so part of it is work related, because I had to go, some things happened at work. We had a guy go on vacation, so I was asked to sort of step up in a new role, which I'm hoping leads something down the road, but we'll see, fingers crossed. Had some family stuff going on, had a family reunion going on. Recently I've been dealing with some back pain, which it hurts now as I speak, but not so bad that I can't come out and do what I'm doing. In fact, I was going to come out camping yesterday, but I just didn't feel like it. Which is another thing too. It's like some days I just don't feel like getting out. So it's been a real struggle. I don't know. Just some days I'm just not motivated. I don't know if I don't think I'm burnt out because I still love it. Although I do get pretty damn tired of cleaning up a bunch of litter every time I come out, which I had to do again today. I mean, I'll roll in a photograph. There's just a big pile left. It's like they just threw it in the pile, threw a tarp over it, and left it. Freaking nasty. See that? Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. And I don't have the truck with me because the truck, my buddy Vince and I changed the fuel pump, which it turned out to not be the fuel pump. And so rather than continuing to throw money at it, I just stopped what I was doing, because we checked the fuses, we checked the inertia switch, we were just like, okay, this is working, we've got spark, we're not getting fuel, but we don't know why. And then so I left it sitting at Vinc's house for way too long, and then his father-in-law was like, what's up with this truck, why is it still sitting here? So I had to go take care of that, because I should have anyway, but I was delaying. What I knew I had to do was take it to a shop. So I took it to a shop, and they're like, oh yeah, you burned your computer's dead. So I had to get a new computer for it. And I didn't bring it today because Vince and I still have to pull the bed off and redo the fuel lines. It was just hot, so I didn't want to, and I mean, it would have been good in the morning or under a covered shop, but some days it's just hot. It's like, oh, I don't want to be working on it, trying to be turning a wrench out in the heat. So it's running now, it's driving, it's just, right now it's sitting, unfortunately, but it's, I'll get that taken care of as soon as I can, as soon as it's not so freaking hot out. But, that's going to be a whole day project. I mean, it's not going to be all day, but, I won't be able to do anything else that day. So I guess it's sort of an all-day project. So, I did go out to Baker Lake, which I'll roll in some footage. Well, there she is, Mount Baker. One of Washington State's active volcanoes. I believe it's still considered active. What's next to me is kind of a raging river. There's probably all the snow melting off. So, pretty phenomenal though. I mean, the camera doesn't do the justice. I mean, I'm looking at the viewfinder and it's just, man, gorgeous. I just pulled over on the side of the road so I could admire it. And, I'll zoom out. You can see the road. Well, here's the source of all the noise I was talking about. Funny how dirty the water is because it's all snow melt off. So when you get down to lower elevations, the water's all clear. It's crazy. Pretty cool too. So I found a little side road that said Baker Lake Dam, which I can't see from here, but there's a nice view of a mountain. I'll give you a little panoramic of the lake. I'm standing on a dock that's kind of bouncing around. No idea what mountain that is. I'll have to look on the. If I can find it online, I'll just put it on the screen. Sorry, you gotta be careful. I don't want to fall in the water. Although it'll be a refreshing dip. The sign posted said no swimming, so unfortunately. Little cove over here. There's a dock I'm on. Little boat launch. Really pretty out here. Mostly just sightseeing. It's my first time here. I don't know if I mentioned that yet, but so you know what would be money? I was just thinking. Come down here to the boat launch, boat across the other side, and camp over there. That would be cool. Man, what a gorgeous day. Get another shot of the mountain. The speedboat just went by, so it threw up a lot of waves. I don't know if you can see that on camera. There's so many people swimming nearby over here. So, oh, there's a little end on the mountain. Sweet. So that was unfortunate. I did find a really good spot to camp at, but there were just like, I was looking on the ground and it's like there's a lot of activity, and I thought, wow, it's a lot of bugs. And then I looked closer and it's like, oh, those aren't bugs, those are little frogs. Like dozens of little frogs everywhere. It's like, so if I camp here, I'm basically going to be walking around on frogs the whole time. And I don't want to be a dick to nature like that, so I opted to move on, and I just couldn't find any other spots unless there were spots I wanted to pay at. And I don't like paying to camp typically, and I don't like camping next to people, so I ended up just bailing. So hopefully I'll be able to get out, get the motivation to get out and do more vids. I got a few things in mind I want to do. Let's see if they pan out, but in the meantime, I'm just going to enjoy today. Going to do a little fire here, which I haven't lit yet, because I don't need a big blaze. I'm only boiling water. And work on a couple videos, including this one. And then, yeah, probably just head home, because I got to work tomorrow, unfortunately. But, you know, what are you going to do? It is what it is. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Thanks for being patient. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.